In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate along a curved path in PowerPoint. Curved motion is great for guiding the viewer's eye or giving your slides a more natural cinematic feel. We'll keep this simple and precise, and by the end, you'll have a clean, smooth motion you can reuse across your presentation. Start by selecting the object you want to animate. Click the text box, shape, or image on your slide. You'll know it's selected when you see the resize handles around it. If you accidentally pick the wrong thing, just click once on the slide background to deselect and try again. Next, add the motion path. Go to the Animations tab, choose Add Animation, then open Motion Paths. Pick Arc for a ready-made curved path, or choose Custom Path if you prefer to draw your own curve directly on the slide. Arc is perfect for gentle swoops. Custom Path gives you maximum control over the route your object will follow. Once the path appears, you'll see a green start arrow and a red end arrow. These are your handles. Drag them to reshape the curve and position where the movement begins and finishes. Think of the path as the road your object travels. The green handle marks the starting point, and the red handle marks the destination. If you need precision, zoom in so small adjustments are easier to make without nudging other elements. For finer control, right-click the path and choose Edit Points. You'll now see points along the curve that you can drag to refine the shape. Pull points to tighten or widen the bend, and adjust the curve handles that appear to smooth out any sharp angles. Small, deliberate moves work best here. Subtle changes often look more natural than big swings. With the path looking good, set the timing. Open the animation pane so you can manage the animation settings. Click your motion path in the pane, then adjust the duration to control speed. Longer durations create slower, more graceful movement. For when it starts, choose On Click if you want manual control during your presentation, or After Previous if you want it to run automatically as soon as the prior animation finishes. Now, preview your work. Click Preview in the Animations tab, or run the slideshow to see the motion at full scale. If it feels too fast, too slow, or the curve needs a tweak, stop, adjust the handles or duration, and preview again until it looks smooth and intentional. That's it. Your object now glides along a curved path with clear, controlled motion.